Hmm. Yo guys, let me make sure my mic's working. All right, hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. But today I'm going to show you guys a little trade recap I took today and how I essentially made, how I made $340 trading micro gold futures. So let's get into it. So firstly, I went to the 4-hour time frame of MGC and I see that we had these inverse fair value gaps. We had this inverse fair value gap, and we also had these fair value gaps over here. If you have two fair value gaps, just connect them into one. It's literally the same thing, but essentially we had an inverse fair value gap, and a fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame. So I did want to see us either come in to push our equilibrium zone, and I saw at the 6-hour candlestick that we did not push past this equilibrium zone. So I'm like, okay, we're having nice rejection off of this. We might want to push lower to take out this for our fair value gap that we have down here. So like, okay, our overall day could be bullish, could be bearish, but it could also be bullish. I just want to see more confirmation. I head to the 1-hour time frame. I see that we have this hourly gap that we could probably want to come into, and we actually did come into this gap, and that's about it pretty much. I see that we swept all this buy side liquidity, swept all this, had a break structure. We had this big move upwards where we took out London highs on the 15-minute time frame. I see that we also swept London highs twice. We took out this liquidity, swept London highs, we took out liquidity, and we just wanted to see shorts. On the 5-minute time frame, I look for an entry. I see that, okay, we had nice AMD. We had our accumulation move. We had our manipulation move higher. It could be small, it could be large, but it was this manipulation move, and then I wanted to catch the distribution move. I'm like, okay, I saw a nice fair value gap form. We had a nice break of structure to the downside on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, I entered on the 1 minute. Um, I'll tell you exactly where I entered. I entered right here. I entered right here, somewhere around here. We had nice break of structure. We took out the slow. We retested back in this inverse fair value gap. And that was pretty much it. I entered 2 units. I put my stops above these highs. Stop should be like here. And this is overall a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So really easy trade today. Honestly, easy shorts. And you guys might be wondering why I didn't target lower. It's because you don't want to be greedy. Um, you don't want to be greedy with the trades that you're taking. You want to take your low-hanging fruit and take off for the day. But I do wish I did something, and this is definitely that I learned something. I wish I put limit orders, so I could have entered maybe 3 units or 4 units instead of two. 4 units, and then I would maybe put my stop losses before this low, this low, this low, this low, and potentially even London lows. Right. I potentially wanted to put our take profit here, and I could have just put a limit order right here. And once we reached that point, we would have been in profit for the day. I could have moved my BE all the way down here, and we could have been in profit even more. But honestly, I'm still grateful to God. God is in glory today. I appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you, God, for another trading day. Always stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.